just like anything, there's people that are doing it. I'm talking about all different professions that are professionals.
Oh, yeah.
Like they know how to do it.
No doubt.
They know how to make money from it.
No
but
doubt.
There's also those people that don't really know.
No. They've read the book.
Right.
Well, they've watched a
and they're
webinar.
Trying to get started in it. So
Yes.
those are the ones
Yes.
that you might have to be a little bit
You
careful.
got to kind of watch. You got to kind of watch. So, again, wholesaling is nothing new. But what we're going to dive into is if you're that person, because it comes in the form of someone wanting to buy your house as a wholesaler. It comes in the form of a call. They just call you.
Yeah.
Like they don't, there's nothing. They just call.
I watch a guy on TikTok do it all the time.
That's what
all
I'm saying.
The
like they just call up and they're like, hey, I want to buy your house for cash money.
Yeah.
Here's what I'm willing to do. It comes in the form of a call. You may get a really nice letter in the mail. You may get a postcard in the mail, but they do this. They get your attention, and they're just wanting to talk, see if can we do a deal. Can we put a deal together here?